Welcome to The Light. Here's a quick summary on Ashlee Buzzard's court appearance that occurred today, January 21st. Now, Ashlee appeared in court for a preliminary hearing, and the focus today was on some procedural matters as well as an issue of discovery. During the hearing, the court addressed defense requests related to sealed search warrants. The defense attorney for Ashlee, Sutherland, requested an ex parte order that was signed by the judge that would allow warrant affidavits to be released to the defense while remaining sealed from public view. Judge Dunkel did agree and informed the court that future sealed warrants would be handled through the very same process, eliminating the need for additional motions to come up. The court also considered the status of the temporary order, that protective order that was limiting public comment by law enforcement. So essentially the Santa Barbara Sheriff's Office. Michelle Montez appeared via Zoom as their representative of the Santa Barbara County Sheriff's Office and said that the department wasn't taking a position on the matter. The prosecution also chimed in saying that they were not taking a position on the matter and would leave it in the court's hands. The judge ordered that the protective order would remain in effect for the duration of the case. What that means is basically it's just a gag order. The sheriff's office cannot talk about this case moving forward. This is nothing out of the ordinary. Now, here's the bread and butter of today's hearing. The defense brought up to the court that significant forensic evidence remains outstanding and said that the defense can't proceed to a preliminary hearing without reviewing the materials. They requested a return date in 3 weeks to monitor the progress of discovery, stating the delay was solely related to the outstanding evidence. Ashlee Buzzard did agree in court with a very simple yes to the judge to extend her statutory time waiver through April. So for right now, this case is scheduled to return to court for February 11th. If you've never heard of this case before and this is your first video, Ashlee Buzzard is being charged with first-degree murder with sentencing enhancements, alleging that the intentional discharge of a firearm causing great bodily injury and unaliving committed while lying in wait. Prosecutors do allege that 9-year-old Melody Buzzard, which was her daughter, who was her victim, was unalived on October 9th, 2025, in a remote area of Utah during a cross-country road trip. If you're interested in more of this case, I have many videos. This is the first case that I covered on my channel. Thus far, Ashlee has pled not guilty to all charges, and she does remain in custody without bail. If she is convicted, she faces a possible sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole. As always, I will keep you updated on this case and many more. Make sure you're following me, give a like, and let me know your thoughts on this case. As always, I will see you all in the next one.